In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to contact DoorDash support and get a faster response. Let's get started. First, launch your DoorDash app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You can also head over to the website, provide your credentials, and log into your account. After you are in the dashboard, navigate to the settings menu, then select Get Help. This section will display recent orders and allow you to choose the specific order you need assistance with. If your issue is not related to a recent order, you can tap on Check FAQ, which will take you to DoorDash Help Center. Here you will find answers to common questions and solutions for a wide range of issues, including account management, payment problems, delivery concerns, subscription questions, and much more. Simply browse the categories or search for your issue to find detailed support articles. For urgent situations, DoorDash also provides an emergency support option. Tap on Have an Emergency and you'll be directed to the fastest available support channels for immediate assistance. This is especially useful if there is a safety concern or a serious issue with an active order. You can also select categories such as Manage Your Account, Customer Support, or other support topics depending on the issue you are experiencing. DoorDash will then guide you through the available support options, including chat support and help request forms, and that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.